Hello my dear students and welcome to our tutorial series in Adobe Illustrator. So for this tutorial series, we will be using the version 2022, Adobe Illustrator 2022, and if you are using an earlier version or later version of this software, the interface might look different, but I hope you can still follow along. Okay, so the first screen that will be displayed if we launch Adobe Illustrator 2022 is this Start screen. So in here, you can create a new document or new artboard. You can open previously saved document or Adobe Illustrator files. You can select templates here or some sizes. But if you are looking for a specific size, you can create new or more presets to display more templates or sizes of paper. You can also see here some save sizes. So yung mga ginamit nyo previously, lalabas dito. Mobile sizes of artboards. Sizes for web. So you can see here 1920 by 1080, which is the standard size of a web page. We can also see here some sizes of papers used for print, film and videos, art, and illustration. So for this example, we will be creating flashcards. So I will be using print because flashcard will be printed, purposely to be printed. And if you are planning to create, for example, a storybook for your activity, I would advise using A3, especially if you are creating a big book. But for our activity, since it's a flashcard, so we will be using the 4 by 6 inch size of paper. So, hindi nyo siya makikita dito. So, if in case yung hinahanap yung paper size ay wala dito sa mga presets natin, you can manually set them here sa may right side ng ating screen. Okay, so ang unang gagawin ninyo is to change the unit of measurement. So let's change this to inches. And let's type here 4, so that's the width, and 6, that's the height. But if you are planning to create a flashcard na naka-landscape, you can either change this to 6 and change this to 4, or you can click the orientation na landscape para magpalit yung size ng height at size ng width. But for me, I will be using the portrait orientation. You can also put here the number of artboards. So, kumbaga sa Microsoft Word, yung number ng bond paper na gagamitin ninyo. So, you can set it here. So, kung gusto mo, pag open mo or pag click mo ng create, ilalabas ang tatlong artboard. Say, for example, you will be creating A to C, alphabet A to Z. So, tatlo yon. So, you can set here 3 artboards. But for me, I will retain yung 1 because we can always add naman additional artboard using the artboard tool or the artboard panel. Okay? So for the bleed, ililive lang natin yan on its default. Hindi pa tayo gagamit ng bleed. For the color mode, there are 2 color modes. So gagamitin natin ng RGB if our design, yung gagawin nating design, will be viewed on screen or on a digital or any digital platform. So kung gagawa for example ng Instagram post or ng Facebook post, mga banner ad, ganon. So ang gagamitin mo ay RGB because they will be viewed on screen or digital platform. But if you are creating a design that will be printed, since our printer uses CMYK colors, and C stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So we will be using CMYK para hindi mag-iba yung kulay niya once na na-print siya. Okay, so we will select CMYK. For the raster effect, since we will be exporting our flashcard into a JPEG format, and JPEG format is a raster-based format of an image, so magiging pixel na siya once na-export to JPEG. So let's make sure na naka-high quality siya para kahit i-enlarge natin yung naka-JPEG na isi-save natin, maganda pa rin yung quality. For the preview mode, i-default lang natin. And for us to go to the interface or to the workspace, let's click Create. Okay, so that's how you create a new document or new Adobe Illustrator file in Adobe Illustrator. So see you on the next video lesson.